testing which aircraft can evade anti-air. First, the F-20. The F-20 is an impressive performance for its time. The F-20 boasts a powerful engine, advanced avionics, and a good thrust-to-weight ratio, promising impressive performance and maneuverability. And it completes the challenge with ease. Aircraft tested MiG-21 Bison. The MiG is a nimble and agile interceptor. Despite its age, the Bison retains impressive maneuverability, making it a formidable opponent in close-quarters combat. Its lightweight design allows it to outmaneuver larger and heavier aircraft. And it completes the challenge with ease.